Hey guys, today we got I think it's like an 89 or an 87 or some sort of old Subaru GL. Thing's really old, really rusted, probably not drivable, but we're fixing your rear axle. And so here's what it looks like when it gets taken off. Uh, Usually it takes quite a while to take these things off, and so I skipped that part. You have these two, and you can see it's just kind of all beated up and whatever from where I was messing with it. I even took the boot off to see if I could try to pull it apart or anything. But there's the new one. It has basically two female ends on it. I'll show you basically how. Which see, and there's the mess that was me trying to figure this out. So that's why I'm helping you here. Okay, so here's the brakes drum. This just kind of moves out of the way. It's metal. It's kind of crazy. See, this part stays attached. Normally CV joints, this part comes through and off, but here's the one end that attaches. So you're going to attach this end. There's two pins, right? So you remove these pins, and there's a pin on that one too as well. Basically what you got to do, see this angle? This is the angle I ended up getting it out at. You didn't really have to remove those. This is a first attempt I've made, and hopefully you don't have to make all my same mistakes. But so you push, basically you'll push this thing down, and you'll kind of see it start to give, and you wiggle and push it up. You get it so you're pressing the two sides of that CV joint together, right? You'll wiggle, 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 push it up, and you just kind of move it up and down, and as you bounce it, it'll just kind of push straight out. And so I ended up getting this end come off first, and then pulled that end, and that end just came straight off. I've heard people say that they can't get that end off sometimes, but in this case, this old rust bucket, it ended up coming off anyway. And that's really about it. I ended up taking off the suspension. You might have to do that. You might not. It just see how it goes, but it's just a couple bolts up here. It was like I used an 11/16. That pulls off, and then you just take off a bolt back here. That should pretty much do it. So yeah, after you get this stupid assembly off in your wheel and everything, yeah, this is the part that everybody has trouble with. This part's just elementary pretty much. So hope that helps and saves you like shit. I've been on this thing all day. See, it saves you at least a day. It'd probably get this thing done in an hour if you did it this way. So good luck, and yeah, try to do it that way. See if it works, and hope that helps.